Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you about for and since. For and since are both similar words in English. They are prepositions. Both are using to describe the time. So where do you use for? First I am going to discuss with you about for. For is using to tell the total amount of time of an action. For example, I have been working for 5 years. For 5 years, 5 years is total time of my action. Total amount of time my work period action. So when we express total time, that time we use for. Another example, she has been missed the class for 3 days. 3 days is total time. So before the total time we use for. Another example, we shall be living in London for 4 weeks. 4 week is total time, 4 weeks. That's why before the 4 week we use for. And since, where do we use since? Since is used the starting point of an action. When our action has begun, start, that time we use since. For example, I have been working since 2010. My action started in 2010. That's why we use since before 2010. They have been playing since 6:30. This is the starting point of an action. He has been studying since 2019. 2019 is the starting point of his action. That's why we use. See, I am going to explain you clearly here. You can understand very easily. Since is used, this is the time, the total time of an action. This is the action time. Our action began here, completed here. When our action began or started, this is the starting point. Before this we use since. For example, since 2010, since 6 a.m., since last month. So when action beginning point, starting point, we use since. And for, this is the time of an action from here to here. This is the total time. When we describe total time of an action, that time we use for. For example, for 5 years, for 5 weeks, for 5 years, for 12 months, for 2 hours. So whatever, when we express total time, we can use for. Why? When we describe starting point or beginning point of an action, we use since. So this is the difference, since and for. Thank you for watching.